Hi class, for this video we're going to be looking at an application and here's what we have so far. So they tell us that they're talking about an investment and also this one is a linear application. So they don't mention it, but it's stated on the title. Yet again, we're assuming that there's a linear pattern. So we know that in 1980 they had this much in the investment, and then in 1985 the investment was 35,800. So definitely it's increasing. But the main question that they're asking is the rate. And then for the rate, in this case, the actual rate, it's going to represent the slope. Or in this case, the value of m. And then remember that m, if you're given coordinate points, you're using y2 minus y1 divided by the x2 minus x1. And then what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to let the first year be your x1 and your investment your y1, then your x2, and then your y2. So technically what we're going to be doing here is x1 comma y1. It's going to represent the 1980 comma the 31,800. And then your second coordinate point, let me rewrite this. It's going to represent your 1985 and then the 35,800. So we're going to be plugging that in into, well, actually, let me just into the actual slope formula to find the rate. So in this case, the values of m is equal to, and then the numbers are a little bit large. So on the top, you're going to have 35,800 minus the 31,800 over the x of 2 happens to be your 1985 minus your 1980. Okay, and then what we're looking for is on the top, it's just going to be 4,000. And then on the bottom, it's just going to be 5. And in this case, I'm getting that this is 800. So our main conclusion here is that, well, the investment is increasing at a rate of $800 per year. So the investment is increasing at a rate of, I'm just going to rewrite it as, well, in this case, $800 per year. And that's actually it. The numbers are a little bit messy. Let me double check them with the calculator. Give me just a second. I don't want to mess up the last portion of it. So on the top, 38. And then at the bottom, 1985 minus 1980. Yeah, 800. Okay, I was a little bit hesitant there. I just wanted to double check that. That's actually it for this particular problem.